Hey guys. Today I've got a big one for you. The Supreme Court has blocked current President Trump's attempt to withhold nearly $2 billion in foreign aid payments. Let's break down what happened, why this matters, and what it means for the future. In a 5-4 decision on March 5, 2025, the Supreme Court ruled against Trump's freeze on these funds. The decision upholds a lower court's order to release the money, which was designated for work already completed by contractors and grant recipients. This ruling is a significant legal setback for Trump and a reminder of the limits on executive power. So how did we get here? Back on January 20th, 2025, Trump ordered a 90-day pause on all foreign aid as part of his America First agenda. This freeze disrupted USAID operations globally, affecting essential food and medical aid delivery. The administration argued that verifying the legitimacy of payments required more time, and that the directive to release funds was an extraordinary usurpation of the president's authority. The plaintiffs, including Democratic attorneys general, federal workers, labor unions, nonprofits like the AIDS Vaccine Advocacy Coalition and other groups, weren't having it. They argued that the freeze caused extraordinary and irreversible harm, jeopardizing life-saving humanitarian work that supports U.S. interests abroad. The case reached the Supreme Court, where conservative justices Alito, Thomas, Gorsuch, and Kavanaugh dissented. Chief Justice Roberts initially paused the lower court's order to allow time for consideration, but ultimately, the court decided to block Trump's freeze. The ruling is part of a larger pattern of legal and political battles involving Trump. Just recently, the Supreme Court temporarily blocked Trump from firing Hampton Dellinger, head of the Office of Special Counsel, which protects government whistleblowers. This highlights the ongoing tension between presidential powers and judicial oversight. Despite court orders, the Trump administration largely kept payments frozen. This fits into a broader strategy of reducing federal government influence, which included attempts to dismantle agencies and lay off workers, sometimes with the advice of figures like Elon Musk. The implications of this ruling are huge. The U.S. retreat from global aid could endanger millions, especially in conflict zones and those facing deadly diseases. This decision underscores the importance of judicial oversight in maintaining checks and balances on presidential power. So, what does this mean moving forward? The Supreme Court's ruling sets a precedent that could limit future attempts to reallocate congressionally approved funds without proper checks. It also signifies a win for those advocating for humanitarian aid and U.S. interests abroad. Alright folks, that's a wrap on this story. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on this and other news stories. See you next time.